Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 GMC Terrain Denali. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other benefits included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, lane keep assist, panoramic sunroof, navigation, and so much more. Check it out. And moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior, wood and chrome accents throughout the vehicle, paneling and storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Love that's your trunk release. And you got the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents and your seat memory. You got the heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, super comfortable. On the left side you'll have the lighting controls next to your ventilation. On the left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. It's that Denali badging. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and pretty much all you need, follow assistance, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access your music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's just going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got navigation built in as well, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera. As well as you have wide angles here, got that all around view, mirror cams, and as well as the trailer hitch cam. Below that, dual zone climate control. Of course, you're gonna have the shifter here, the classic buttons. 2 USB ports as well as an SD card reader. Got some extra storage. Cup holders, you're gonna have park assist and automatic park assist. And of course, you're gonna have lane keep assist, your two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, and hill descent control with a wireless charging pad right there. And of course the center console with 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable as well. You're gonna have the Denali stitch, wood and chrome goes all the way across, speakers and vents up top here, and then you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and that panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 19-inch wheels on Nokian Hakka tires. You're gonna have the chrome mirror caps as well, match keyless entry door handle, leather side rails up top, tinted rear glass at the back, dual exhaust tips as well. Into the back here, you're going to have the 60/40 rear folding seats. You're going to have a 12 volt with some hooks and extra storage, and extra wheel well storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, more of that paneling and storage next to the speaker, power windows with the wood and chrome. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, rear heated seating, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger on the bottom. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 GMC Terrain Denali. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated and